Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INMG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one quite a few times. That's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here, as it was a pretty crazy day. Overall, though, a good day. Now, when I say overall had a good day, there is some perspective that goes into that. If you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2.5 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's probably not looking as good. But from the big picture perspective, the bulls are still in full control and really kind of just are reiterating a level that I've talked about in the past. And that all has to do with the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, before I get to that, I'm going to go ahead and do some house cleaning here. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I'm just going to get rid of that line there and there. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but like I said, not really relevant, and I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And at this point, it's all about that purple line, which, like I said, the bulls have done a good job of just re-illustrating why this is what many people would consider a famous moving average within the world of charts. You can see down here, price got close to the purple line, bounced. Right here, price bounced directly off it. And then surprise, surprise, during that final 30 minutes here, price once again bounced off it. So from that point, if you kind of connect those dots, definitely key area of support going forward is you just want to see the price stay above that purple line. And as I've stated in past videos, if you've watched them, from the grand scheme of things and a very simplistic way to look at the chart and, measuring the health of the current move, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So 50-period simple moving average, definitely that key area of support. Now, if the price drops below it, am I saying that everything's totally ruined? I'm not saying that. But yeah, the chart would lose some of its attractiveness if the price breaks below there and starts to move to the downside. But that hasn't happened yet, so no point in crossing that bridge any further. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, still all about 0.0265. Yeah, the price got up above it and stayed up above it for basically the majority of the day, but then that final 30 minutes happened and the price closed down below it. So therefore, 0.0265 still got to be considered an area of resistance going into tomorrow. So that'll be more of a short-term level of resistance. And I do want to add in where the next overall level one is, thanks to the new data we got today, and that's up there at 0.032. So kind of a crappy final 30 minutes, but again, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, the price is still above that 50 period, and that's what you want to see. So we'll see how tomorrow unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.